In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for Outplay TV. Now, of course, we have different types of computer specifications, so there's isn't going to be a direct or one best setting. This is going to depend on your computer specifications. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your Outplay TV is updated to the latest version, and you also want to update your graphics card, making sure that the encoder is up to date because we are going to need that when we record games. From there, let's head over to Outplay, navigate through the settings option, and from here, let's select capture. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky because once again, this will depend according to your system specification. Now, if you're lagging when using or playing games while using Outplay TV, I suggest choosing something like 720p. The bitrate is going to be 6,000 and the frame rate is going to be 30. This is going to be the middle ground for most medium specification computers out there. But if this setting still lag you out, then I suggest choosing the lowest preset, which is going to be 720p or 480p using 20 FPS. And meanwhile, you then want to reduce your bitrate into something like 4,000 or 2,000. But if you're planning to record low resource games, then you can record them by choosing the highest settings, which is going to be the 1080p 6,000 bitrate or 8,000, and from there you then want to select 30. But if you're feeling something like you can record even more, you then want to choose something like 60, 90 or 120. But for general, you simply want to select 30 because most people are going to watch your videos at 30 FPS. In here, select the advanced option, and this is where it's most important. You then want to select the encoder as your graphics card because putting the resources on the CPU will cause your computer to totally lag every time you play games, browse your computer, and more. So you want to make sure that you use the graphics card resources, select the use GPU, and from here the recording buffer is going to be RAM. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.